This is Mission Kahlúa. Weber, are you ready for Mission Kahlúa?
Yes.
Hi guys, good morning. So today is going to be an eventful morning. We have this little kitten Kalua in our compound who is Sammy's friend, but he's injured himself somehow and we've been trying to treat him, but he needs to be taken to a vet, so we're trying to put him in the crate, which has never been done. Like Sammy hated it when we tried to get her in, but let's see. Mission Kalua starts. Good boy, Kalua. Nothing happened. Sammy, you've never gone into that box ever in your life, and this cute little boy went in one go. So, Weber, mission was successful.
Mission was like butter. Like I've never seen such a calm cat.
Yeah,
he knows,
he's not even
now he knows that he's trapped inside,
but he's not
but he's still
frantic.
willing to go
Yeah.
and eat. Like
This is little Kalua. He's a good boy, you. It's okay. I know. It's okay. We're going to the doctor, okay? The doctor will sort you out.
Loving harder than an oven, like no other. Ooh, all of the ways I'm doomed. My head went from nothing, now I'm candy crushing. Thoughts on 100. Ooh, all about you.
We are back home for now. Kalua is still at the vet. They're going to keep him there for a few hours because they want to like run some tests, do the x-rays, all of that to make sure that he's okay. So we will hear from them in a couple of hours. And now we are heading to St. Regis. They have a food festival that they had invited us to, and we're supposed to go there for lunch. So we're going to go there for lunch and then go back to the vet.
Wild cherry, I'm barely hanging on hands like a strawberry rush. Yeah, I can see straight, kind of love that's good, scary, heart heavy, fireworks hit like a strawberry rush. Yeah, I can see straight and I love it. I don't wanna know about a universe where you do not exist, 'cause I'd miss all of the ways I'm 2 feet from losing my mind. I'm spending all of my
Lunch is done and we're in a bit of a coma.
I'm not. I'm driving.
I'm in a bit of a coma. Now we're going to see what Weber's new cat is up to at the vet.
It's not my
Kalua,
new
your cat, yeah.
And just to clarify, Kalua is not as in Kalua because he's black. It's Kalua because
It's the liqueur.
it's a liqueur. Kalua.
And Weber is starting a collection slowly. It's gonna be like,
Of what liqueur?
yeah, of cats.
Even though I
Yeah.
don't drink.
Yeah. The inspection is on.
She's clearly forgotten. Is the tail fat?
No, now she's become chilled. It's Kalua, Sammy.
It's okay.
Good girl.
He's your friend.
Good girlie. Okay, so while they are settling in, I also wanted to replace this guy that guy with this guy. If you haven't watched my last video, I ordered this from Amazon and it's pretty cool. Space wise, I think it fits in well with these boxes. Now we just have to put our perfumes there. This is before and that is after. Everything fits perfectly. It looks great. Well done, Sherry. Hello, folks. Okay, my camera shadow's on me. Okay, here. Hello, folks. Okay, so I am back in Colaba. If this looks different and sounds different, it's because this is my vlog cam, and before this I was vlogging on my iPhone because I didn't have my vlog cam at the other house and I was there. So I kind of started there and now I have made my way here. There's a big gap. It's about 9:30 right now. In the evening, as I was coming back, I had the worst caffeine crash. Like my head was aching, and I was just like yawning. Like I realized I'm so addicted to caffeine in the evening. Like if I don't have my 2 cups of chai in the evening, it's just bad. And then I came back, had to help my dad with something and a friend with something. So it was not stuff that I would vlog. And yeah, now I am in bed, just showered, and ready to crash because tomorrow is going to be a fun day. We are going to BKC and we're going to have the most epic dinner tomorrow. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, my bunny. Who's a good boy? Who's a good bunny? You? You good bunny? Yes. Okay, I am in panic mode. It's around 12 o'clock. I am supposed to be at the Google office by 2 o'clock, so I really need to hustle, hustle, hustle and leave. I just don't have like room to work with anything. Like these are some things I have to try still. These are packages that are coming. Look at Mars's package. This is for Mars, guys. Like, look at that. Like, yeah, I have to open that. And yeah, we got to go to Google, and I have so much to do. Also, I'm going on a very exciting trip at the end of this month. Can't tell you much right now, but yeah, it's going to be a long trip and it's a work trip and there's lots happening. So that's why I'm all like frazzled and panicked and doing a million things at one time. First, I'm going to open Mars's ginormous gifts and invite him to look at them, and then we will move forward. In today's edition of My Spoiled Pooch, these lovely goodies are from Potpourri for Mars. So is eating his lunch, so we're gonna have to wait for him to come and appreciate his gifts. Before that, okay. So I have this, which I know it's some clothes. I'm gonna open that. These are some clothes now. You guys know I do this with a lot of my friends, right? Like where I take older clothes and stuff like that. So this is from a friend, like all her old dresses that don't fit her, she's sending me because they're all sample sizes and they're all like formal gowns and dresses and stuff like that. So I'm very excited to go through this when I have the time. But yeah, lots of new clothes, yay! Thank you guys, can't wait to wear this. This is a beautiful dress. Look at the print on this, like how cool and quirky is this? And look at this. This is so cool. Sir is very comfortable on his new bed. Sir, do you like your bed? And all your goodies, are you going to share them with your friends? Are you? Okay, peeps, so in all my craziness, I forgot to check where the event is happening, and I ended up at the wrong building, and now I am running to the actual event. I don't know how much I can vlog of this because it's more of like a workshop kind of a scenario, but yeah, I am all over the place today. So if you want to see a crazy dysfunctional person, dysfunctional Sherry, that's me today, where I'm trying to do 20 things at one time and my brain is not functioning and I'm making a lot of mistakes. This is what happens. Okay, so we weren't really allowed to film the workshop as I thought so. So yeah, that happened. It was really interesting to see new trends in terms of, YouTube, the business side of content creation and marketing and so on. And now we are heading home to do something very, very exciting. Hi, Babu.
Good boy.
What are you dressed up for?
going for dinner. That's why.
Lies. What's the real reason you're all dressed up for?
For dinner, I just happen to be making the relaunch of Coupling Line right now. So it's live.
It's like,
So it's live. That's it.
please watch it. So we are off to dinner. We are going for a very special dinner. We are going to Mask, which is in the top 50 restaurants of Asia.
Yes, and what is this? Like a celebration of,
Of-
the launch of relaunch of
The
Coupling?
relaunch of Coupling, and also this was my birthday present from my best friend in last July, and we were saving it for a special occasion, which is
What?
today.
I didn't give you this. I thought I was your best friend, right? What? Do you have another best friend?
I have many.
That's disgusting, man.
Shoot me down with sugar cane, cellophane, and all that's in between. Shoot me down with lethal aim, baby girl, I won't tell a thing. Oh, how seasons change, wind's picking up, I better look out. Cause you said something, then I said something, now I have nothing. I just want to love you. Just want to love you.
Okay, I feel like I can't move. But that meal was incredible. What are your thoughts, Vibhav?
I said don't ask me anything.
You're so full that you can't even talk.
Yeah, like I'm just warning you, there'll be a lot of burps in the night, so just be ready and do not nag.
That was like one of the best meals we've ever had.
We don't know what else could happen.
We start to get a crush of reports of bombs all over the city.
Morning, folks. Today's day is a bit of a declutter situation. Can you see that? Those are all my products that have been lying around here in boxes, and a lot of the stuff that I haven't sorted. Sorted my Collaba ones, so sorting these. Cheers with my titties. Yeah, lots happening. Working. Where's my laptop? There. Working. Sorting. Let's go. Okay, here we go. We have, these are not all mine, they're Weber's products as well. Those are mine, these are mine. So we're gonna sort these and figure out who's getting what. Mama's back, mama's back, mama's back. Yes, 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 mama's back. Yes, 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 yes. Yosh, I would have taken you, but you would have eaten the cat, right? Back, famished, eating some green curry, watching the American Manhunt. The Boston Marathon bombing started it yesterday, and finishing it now while I eat my lunch. I'm so hungry. The vlog started with a walk, and it's ending with a walk, and someone spotted some dogs in the distance, which is always a bad idea. Okay guys, so those of you following me on Instagram will probably know this. My dream bag has arrived. So I ordered the Telfa shopping tote in orange, which I've been eyeing for a really long time, and I had a friend carry it down from New York to Bombay, and it just arrived, and I am itching to open it, but I think I'm gonna do like an unboxing video, because this is like, it's not really I mean, it's expensive for me, but like not in the luxury sector as like, oh, like few lakh rupees and stuff, because I'm not that person that would like spend that much. But yeah, this was like a bag I've wanted for 2 long years, and I finally got, and I'm just like, so yeah, very excited. Comment below and tell me if I should do an unboxing video. I think actually I'm gonna film an unboxing tomorrow, because I don't think I can like hang on to this for much longer. Now, yeah, just quickly cleaning up and setting up for tomorrow's shoot because we are going to be shooting a lot, like 5, 6 videos have to be shot in the next few days because, as I said, I'm leaving to go on this trip. And Sir seems to be exhausted, like he's had a really long day when he's pretty much chilled. But yeah, I think this is where the vlog ends, guys. I have a lot to do, and I don't think you need to see me cleaning because you've seen me clean a zillion times. Just gonna quickly get this get this room ready for a shoot, and eat my dinner. Okay, you thought the vlog ended there. Well, I tried editing it for 2 days. I still haven't finished it, so I thought I should add this in. We are going to the new Sabya store opening, and I am wearing not the dress is not Sabya, but my shoes are very old Sabya, and yeah, we're running as usual. Okay peeps, we are back. Just changed into something comfy, taking off my makeup. This store is a work of art. Okay, so they have everything from like one whole floor to the bridal stuff to the New York collection, jewelry, accessories. It is beautiful. And now the vlog ends. So if you like the vlog, give it a thumbs up. I'm really sorry it took this long to get this vlog out, but I hope you like it, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.